Hi everyone, I'm Guillaume from the YouTube channel Le Caméléon des Langues and the website caméléondeslangues.pe, and we are back for another video on motivation and talent, which by the way almost barely doesn't exist. So in this video I will tell you about how to improve, to raise your motivation, because as I explained in the first video, in case you haven't watched it yet, have a look. In that video I told you about the fact that motivation was extremely important and more important than talent. So here I will give you a couple of keys on how to raise this motivation and to use it. So first, when you learn a language, have a reason for learning that. Don't just learn a language for school because you have to. No, find a reason. Languages are useful, they are tools. Find a reason. You can have a girlfriend of the target language, you can want to simply be able to communicate with people. You can want to, for example, read some books from your favorite author. There are some authors, Russian authors, for which people learn Russian to be able to read the books, like Dostoevsky. So have a reason, because this will drive you. Second key, use interesting material. It has to be interesting. So for example, right now I'm watching a series in my target language and I just love this series. I just love it. And so I can easily watch it for hours a day, and it helps me a lot. When I was learning English, I learned by reading Harry Potter and watching the movies. And that helped a lot because I was interested in that material, and this drove me, and that way I could simply spend time, all the time simply I was using the language because I liked it simply. So try to find material that you like, it's very important. Third, so interesting material and material that you like, that's what I wanted to say. And these are related, of course, so it has to be interesting and to also follow your passions and topics that you like. So if you like, for example, I don't know, if you're interested in some animals or you like drawing or anything else, try to find something related to that topic, because that way you will be more interested. Even if your level in the language is not so high, you will be more tempted to keep on learning things. So use your target language to learn things on something that you are interested in. And you need to do things that motivate you. So be it the material or the topic or anything, it has to be motivating and you have to want to do it. So it has to come from you. And last but not least, use a method that works for you and that you like. This is very important. Use a method that follows your own learning pattern. So when I was learning at school, I was just following the class. I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. I didn't stick to it. I didn't like the teacher and so on. Or rather, I didn't like the way she taught. So just find a method that will work for you. And every polyglot has his own method. Try several things. I tried many methods, most of which didn't work, and then I found the ones which do work. So try different methods, try to learn about these different methods, and in the end you will find the one that sticks to your own learning style. And that's what I found today, all these methods that work for me, and I am just putting them together to make this one method that will help me to learn a language faster than ever. But this is it. So have a reason to learn the language. Use interesting material, and material that you like. Material that will drive you, and use things that will motivate you, be it for the topic or for the type of material, and use a method that will work for you. And for this you need to try several things. There is not just one single method that will get you to be a polyglot or bilingual. You need to find the right one for you, for your own brain, because we all have different brains that work differently. So this was it for this video and for today. I invite you to like this video if you found it interesting, to give a comment, leave a comment and tell me what you think about it, if you've already tried it or not, what type of methodologies have you already tried or have you heard of, whether it worked for you or not. Just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything that is coming. Don't forget to share, because it could help other people. So I will see you in the last video on the consequences of motivation. See you guys!